Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Hope you all are fine. Dear students, today I am going to teach you social studies of grade 3. First, recite dua before starting the today's work. Recite with me. Rabbi zidni ilma. Now move towards the planner. Week number 1 and planner number 3, 4 and 5. Write down the date and day here and now move towards the page number 2. Dear students, as in the previous lecture video, we have learned about the solar system. It is the collection of 8 planets. Their names are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. And Venus is the brightest planet of the solar system. And we studied about the sun, that is the bright star. It is made up of hot gases. It gives us heat and light. And it is very important for all living things. Then we studied about the Earth, where it is a planet where we live. It is the third planet of the solar system and it has 2 movements. Number 1 is the revolution and number 2 is the rotation. When Earth moves around the sun, this is known as a revolution, and when Earth moves around its own axis, this movement is known as a rotation. And it completes its revolution around the sun in 1 year, and it completes its rotation around its own axis in 24 hours. Because of the revolution, season changes, that is summer, spring, autumn and winter, and because of this rotation, day and night occur. When Earth facing the sun, day comes, and when Earth are not facing the sun, the night occur. Then we studied about the moon, that is most planets have the moon. Our Earth has one moon that revolves around the Earth, and one and full moon completed in 29.5 days. It is also known as the lunar or Islamic month, and the moon has no light. It reflects the light of the sun, and there is no air and water. Now we will do the exercise of this unit. Write on the date and day here. The solar system. Reading and silent reading by students. Objective. Question number 1 is choose the correct answer. Dash is the brightest planet in the solar system. Which is the brightest planet in the solar system? Mars, Mercury, Venus. Venus is the correct option. So take the correct option. C. Mars is the dash planet from the sun. 4th, 3rd, 5th. This is the 4th planet of the solar system. Right. Circle option number A. Our planet Earth has dash moon. How many planets our Earth have? 2, 1, 3, 1. So circle the option B. Question number 2. For whom sunlight is important? Sunlight जो है वो किसके लिए ज़रूरी है? Sunlight is important for animals, plants and all living things. Sunlight जो है वो तमाम जानवरों के लिए, पौधों के लिए और हर जानदार चीज के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है. Question number 3. Does the earth stay in one place? क्या ये जो हमारी जमीन है क्या ये एक ही जगह पर रहती है? No, it constantly revolves around the sun. ये सूरज के गिर्द चक्कर लगाती है. How long does the earth take to move around its own axis? As we have already learned, there are the 2 movements of the earth, revolution and rotation. So when it moves around its own axis is known as rotation, and it takes 24 hours to move around its own axis. 24 घंटे के अंदर इसका एक राउंड कंप्लीट हो जाता है. How long does the earth take to revolve around the sun? And there is another movement that is known as revolution. How long does the earth take to revolve around the sun? Earth takes 365 days to revolve around the sun. It takes 1 year or 365 days to complete its revolution. Now match column A with column B. Take a lead pencil and a scale with you. Column A and column B. The sun gives us what? On the moon. The sun, heat and light, and Islamic month, yeah, or planet. So the sun gives us heat and light. Now, lunar month is also called what? It is also known as an Islamic month. The earth is what? What is the earth? The earth is our planet. There is no air and water. Where is no air and water? On the moon. And all the planets move around the sun. So, सूरज हमें क्या देता है? हरारत और रोशनी. लूनर मंथ को इस्लामिक मंथ भी कहते हैं. और जो द अर्थ इज व्हाट? द अर्थ इज अवर प्लैनेट. ये हमारा एक सयारा है. द अर्थ, देयर इज नो एयर एंड वाटर. वाटर और पानी और हवा कहाँ पर नहीं होता? चांद पर. एंड जितने भी सयारे हैं वो सारे किसके गिर्द चक्कर लगाते हैं? सन के. सन इज द सेंट्रल पार्ट ऑफ ऑल द प्लैनेट्स. Now, question number 7. Label sun, moon and earth in the following orbit. So, this is the word. This is sun. This is our earth. And this is the moon. Now, subjective part. Question number 1. How many planets are there in our solar system? Name them. So, how many planets are there? There are 8 planets and their names are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Once again, their names are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. What is meant by revolution of the Earth? The movement of the earth around the sun is called the revolution of the sun. जब जमीन सूरज के गिर्द चक्कर लगाती है तो उसे क्या कहते हैं? Revolution of the earth. And what is meant by the rotation of the earth? Rotation का क्या मतलब है? The movement of the earth around its own axis is called the rotation of the earth. जब जमीन अपने ही एक्सिस के गिर्द चक्कर लगाती है उसे क्या कहते हैं? रोटेशन ऑफ द अर्थ. नाउ डिस्क्राइब द सन. व्हाट इज द सन? द सन इज द ब्राइट स्टार. इट इज मेड अप ऑफ वेरी हॉट गैसेस. इट गिव्स अस हीट एंड लाइट. सूरज जो है एक चमकता सितारा है और ये किससे मिलकर बना है? हॉट गैसेस से. और ये हमें रोशनी और हरारत देता है. डिस्क्राइब द मून. द मून रिवॉल्व्स अराउंड द अर्थ. इट हैज नो लाइट ऑफ इट्स ओन. इट हैज नो एयर एंड वाटर. चांद जो है वो जमीन के गिर्द चक्कर लगाता है. इसकी अपनी कोई रोशनी नहीं होती और ना ही यहाँ पर कोई पानी है और ना ही हवा. Now, understand the question and answer accordingly. If the earth were closer to the sun, अगर जमीन सूरज के करीब होती तो क्या होता? The earth temperature would be much hotter. The oceans would dry up. We could not survive. All of the above. टेम्परेचर ज्यादा हो जाता, समंदर खुश्क हो जाते और हम सर्वाइव भी ना कर सकते, हम जिंदा भी ना रह सकते. तो डेफिनेटली ऑल दीज थिंग्स happen if the earth were closer to the sun. All of the above is the correct answer. Now look at the sequence of the planets and tell which planet is closest in the size of the earth. As this is the sequence of the planet and we have to find out the closest planet which is, and so the Venus is the closest in the size of the earth. So Venus seemed to be the closest in the size to the earth. Now the written project, we have to write the ordinal number next to the each planet. So these are all the planets and we have to write their number in ordinal form. Jupiter 5th, Saturn 6th, Earth 3rd, Neptune 8th, Mars 4th, Venus 2nd, Mercury 1st, Uranus 7th. Page number 7 is your homework. Dear students, write all these Workbook pages. Stay home, stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.